So this is 1st of August 2024, around 8:30 a.m. It's in the morning. So the corrupt officer, the corrupt lady officer who landed up in court, who came to the court by the instructions given by the scammer, because I spoke with my lawyer that we have to complain about her. She denied forensic report. So some scammers around here, they contacted her, and she landed up in my last court hearing. So she has a plan. She settled all this stuff as I go out of the house. So scammers should have access, and they would have showed this stuff. The stuff which I am going to show, I have to repeat this shit again. So here's this shit. This is Lenovo. Hmm. Hmm? This is Lenovo. Some LAN server thing was done. This is Dell. Hmm. So again some LAN server thing was done on Dell. So they did it to Dell. So this is the portable hard disk. Hmm? Hmm? Device configured and device deleted. And the device delete was done in Palava, and configuration was done in what do you call it? Chembur. So they have a connection. Scammers do have a connection. These are the colors. The colors which are used in animated papers, and the papers are stolen. And the data was in portable hard disk, but a parameter is put. Wait, I have to fix this. No, it's fixed. Huh? We'll check this in Dell. These are the colors where the animation was done. Huh? Huh? These are some of my storyboards and art material. So it's a normal thing. Not that this is a scribbling pad. This is a diary which holds sketches, storyboards, and the sketches. One of the sketches of my, I made two of a sketch. One Here's the second one. So here's my sibling. Hmm? So I put in the portable hard disk here. Let me check. Here it shows local disk E. So now it takes time for the right click. Look, this circle thing is happening. Now look, you see that? The system is in control with the scammers, and corrupt officer allows them to do so. Look. A parameter is put, I cannot open it. But you can if the right click is not yet happening, I put in the properties. So what do they show? What did they show? They showed my accident sketch, the sketch which I made. Hmm? Hmm? They showed this stuff. Huh? What did they show? Huh? Look, here's the hardware thing came. Now I'll do the see get portable hard disk. If I go for the properties, events, see device configured, device started, device configured, device delete. It's been happening from years with me. So here it shows till 2017. Now I'll eject it. So by the time it gets ejected, permission. So look, did they show this? Look, I have to eject this now. What did they show? They show this. Showed this. And they also spoiled my art material as well. I'll show you that too. Look, they have bended this. See this? It was not before. It's sensitive. So did they show this? I just went for a doctor within 24 hours. Who is this? Ask this person, who is this person? It's my kid sister. It's my sibling. Huh? So they were showing this, right? The housebreakers. What is this? So the corrupt officer decides this: when I go to the hospital, they should break into my house and get my devices. That's why the attack was planned, and that's why I was in Operation Theatre. So I'm still working on this. I'm still working. So I shoot this sketchbook. That is my siblings. So this is the diary was given by my ex. Hmm? Look, before going to rehab, she gave me this and she wrote a letter for me to message for me. Hmm? So nice sketches. Huh? So they break into the houses and write their names and numbers this way, and they do this shit. What is this shit? Huh? So, so they showed all this. Huh? Wait, I have to turn off the fan. The papers are flying. So this is where I did my filmmaking course. So this is made from these crayons, the crayons which I showed. And this is a poster color, but there is a watercolor treatment. What is this? If they have showed this, where is this place? Ask them, where is this? This is me and my siblings. So they were showing this. some live sketches. I've did a lot of live sketches. This is my brother, elder brother. This is the sketch when he had hair on his head. Now he's bald. This is a live sketch. This is a live sketch made by Bapaditya Banerjee. He made me my sketch when I was in institute. My professor who taught me animation and filmmaking. This sketch is line tested with the other line testing animation. So they were showing this magazine, huh? Where creative director and writer, who is it? Huh? So now we have to jump to the portable thing. Huh? So now we have got this part, the LAN server part, which LLP hided that there was a source. This camera, look, I have plugged in, but by the time it reads it, I'll show this part. The camera, ancient camera, the art material, or the drive which I found. It's a desktop drive. This is the evidence which of a desktop drive found in my DVR. So I bought this new surveillance and then I wrapped this old one into this. So because this is the evidence, I have to check it out. And this, did they show this? I bought the phone over here. They showed this too. Where is the IM here? These people showed this too. I bought this in 2022 while I was living in Palau city, and the J7 was completely, what do you call it? No, this is not. I'm searching for the bill. So they are stealing bills now. So this is the old Micromax thing. Well, we gave it for repair and we never took it back. shows G. Local disk G. I don't know what it means. Over there in Dell it showed E. Sometime over here it shows G and F. I don't know what it means. So by the time it gets loaded, I'll show you. So this is a content called Night Out. So the one who did this should be a storyboard artist. Should have done animation. Because there are storyboards there. Look. The crayons which I've used are over there. Same as animated papers. Look, this content streets. It holds my childhood friend's name, my professor's name, the Professor Bapadita Banerjee, which the sketch I showed. Look, it shows the format thing. And my friend's name, my childhood friend's name, my college friend's name, everyone's name. The properties have come and suddenly it, as if the scammer, and it also holds me staying in Pune in a flat, and this I caught a forgery. First page is clear, and look at this. The paper gets young, and so the last page also should be old like this, but the paper is young. So this is a forgery. Properties. I went to the properties. Still, it takes time. It takes too much of time. So the street content holds my childhood friends' names, me staying in Pune, my professor's name, Bappa sir's name, and my my father's heart condition. It holds my life. At the end, I put in some exaggeration. An affair. I'll give a wonderful affair, and I'm not worried. Entire town knows what it is. Entire town, my rivals, my enemies. For that, I don't have to bring any witness. My enemies are the witness. Hardware. See. Properties. Here it came. So I have to go through events. Over there it showed till 2017, and here it shows till 2020. Here device started, device configured, device deleted. So they were configuring, starting something, and device delete. They were doing this. And this happened in Palava city, right in this house. This portable was kept without any connection of laptop computer. So it was not a hack, it was a physical access. And scammers from Palava were writing about Chembur, Gandhi Maidan and 14th Road, where we friends used to hang out. Where I live. So this is where the surveillance are kept. I asked Mullani to check it out. So this is the stuff. So the corrupt officer manages this thing. Corrupt officer manages this thing, that I should go somewhere and scammers should do physical access, but my bait always work. Last night my bait worked. Did they say Allah Akbar before getting into my house? Did they say that? Allah Akbar? Did they say Allah Akbar before, uh, what do you call it, making sex videos? They chanted these words? They chanted this? So, they were writing about me going to shooting in 2014, seeing, what do you call it, getting along with someone and their original, with their original names, with the original events, with the original spots. They want to say that. And the movie has been released with their names and with their director and everything. And before that, 2014, my friends, my family, my college, my uh, what do you call it, my professor, me living in Pune, so that thing. And doing what artwork? What artwork? Animation. And the artwork is stolen. The drives, the paperworks are stolen. Who was the professor? The professor who made my sketch. So, scammers are playing this, what do you call it? They break into houses, change drives, but they have to change their lives. They have to change their faces. Breaking my face won't do anything. I am all over the world. Everyone knows me.